Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Hyundai Elantra key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, which is essential for carefully prying open the key fob. Also, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this process much smoother and help prevent any accidental damage. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button, usually on the side. Press this button to slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist. The two halves of the key fob should separate with a soft click. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper function. Now, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working correctly. If you're looking for great deals, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic offers. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.